Hey, Lincoln Middle School Band families and students. It's your weekly update for April 20th.
We've got some seriously exciting news and important dates, so let's get right to it.
Okay, this is a huge week for our bands. We've got two massive performances we're all excited for. First up, our 8th grade band is performing with the Pullman High School Band this Monday.
And then on Thursday, our amazing jazz band hits the legendary Lionel Hampton Jazz Festival.
So here's a quick look at the two big shows. You won't want to miss these.
All right, you ready for a challenge? This is a fun one to level up your practice habits.
It's the Practice Peeps Challenge, and it's running all the way through the end of the month. So how do you earn them? Just practice for 20 minutes, log your time, and get it signed.
Let's see who can earn the most peeps. Time to build some impeepable practice habits.
Okay, let's get a quick report on what all of our incredible ensembles are up to.
Our 6th grade band is working hard on 4 pieces for their May 6th concert. They sound great.
The 8th graders are polishing up their 3 pieces for Monday, and 7th grade is tackling new music.
And the 6th grade jazz band, wow, they're sounding incredible on 3 new tunes. Now, memorize that scale.
Our 7th and 8th grade jazz band is ready for the big festival. Just remember, bus loads at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, let's pull out those calendars and look out what's coming up next.
Here are the big performance dates for all our bands. Make sure you get these marked down.
And let's wrap up with some words of wisdom from the one and only Duke Ellington.
Everyone is doing such incredible work. That's your update, and like Mr. Cavill always says, rock on.